Yeah, today we see about the public-private subnet for the two tier. Okay, like public subnet in the sense it was created in the subnet, like which is accessible from the internet. Should have IP address, public IP address, and the proper routes also there. But in private subnet, there is like how can I tell means if like private subnet in the sense. Public in the sense the ENI means elastic network interface. It can access by the internet only for public IP. There is no standard which I can tell means if we start on instance means we can stop means automatically the public IP is like it's not standard. Once alert means it's not a standard. Once alert we can start and stop means again we start means a different IP will come. So this is called as a public IP. It supports on like IPv4 and IPv6 two versions. I have public IP supports, but in private IP it is allotted by the VPC. VPC means virtual private code. It is standardly when it start or stop there is no changes in the IP. It is also support IPv4 and IPv6. Then elastic IP is there for the elastic IP in the sense is a fixed public IP. Static address that does not change in over time. Okay, like what it means it used only in the specific region when we are in the Mumbai region means it used only in the specific region only. We will not move from other region to region we will not move for the elastic IP. Then here we come to the lab means there is public and private IPs there. In that we can I am in there is two public IPs there means two public IP, two private one, private two, and public two is there means if there is any like what I can tell means if I am taking a remote from the Mumbai region means Mumbai has one private and public IP is there. Taking Mumbai region means it will go to the ISP go to the internet gateway, and the internet gateway go to the route tables. Route tables is go to the where it analyze where is the private IP, public IP means analyze and where it is public IP means it's go to the public IP connection security SG group. SG group is accepted the request and go back to the instance likewise same in the for the private IP also. But we can in private and public IP we can change we can go with region to region. Yeah, this is called private and public IP. First we can do it step by step with VPC. First create 3 subnets in VPC. Okay, 3 subnets we want to create 3 subnets in VPC. First subnet we can go to subnet. Already I created the subnet also, like private one, like public one, public private two, and private one, public two. I already created, but go this way also. Then create it now, created, and we go back to the next. We go back to the already we created. It's same only happens for all these subnets. Okay, then edit the like here select and test the action and go with the edit subnet and uh, enable the auto assign IPv4. Okay, that's all. Okay, then go back to the subnet and we go to the route tables there, and there is a private IP like a private route tables there. Yeah, here the two subnets are in the same platform, but here we can click it and custom VPC already we created, like subnet associations there, edit association, like here it associated, yeah, here it associated subnet, save the association, it's association, save the association. When we go back to the say association, subnet association, edit subnet, and to already yeah, it will create and already we can create this subnet also, subnet association already in public one, public two created, sorry, we can put private one, edit the subnet association, we can put private one and private two, save the association, that's all. Already association saved, like association saved to subnet as same saved. Then we go back to the EC2 instance, but how it happens? System VPC only. Okay. Then we go back to the EC2 instance. The same. We can. Why I do like that means, like here here. What is it now? Here there is subnet. We can add 3 more subnet, like private one, public one, private one, private two. Already I had the 4 subnets. And the subnet IPv4 CA block is this, and for private IP for private IP for this, and we can create the subnet. And likewise we can go with the option edit subnet, like check enable the IP is saved. Next we can go to the route table and check the route table, and we can associate the route table for the two. And next we go to the EC2 instance, and we can create 2 instances, one is for public, another one is for private. We go launch the instance, like we are going to public, like public, the same windows, we go with the like 2022 base, we can go with that. Why I can go with 2022 base means it's useful, like there is no lag between that. We can go with the Linux, go to the VPC. Here we can go with the custom VPC, and here we move with the public. Okay, public. Why means public, automatically it's enabled. Okay, go with the selected existing security group and custom VPC demo LG. There is no changes between that. We can launch the instances. Okay, and okay, next we go to the instances, and we can create another one instance. Is called a private instance. Go with private, and same windows and same, that's all same, the same existing pair, 2022 base, same existing pair also we can use that same existing pair. And here we go with the private, custom VPC is there, it automatically creates the private. Okay, then also it does when it's private IP means it's also disabled, automatically disabled. Like we can launch the instances, and here we can check whether for public IP, go to security, we can check whether inbound rules has the HTTP and HTTPS is there, automatically HTTPS is there, SSL and RDP is there. Okay, and go to security group and go to the EC2 and go to the instances, there is in running state, and here we can see that, go the security, and whether see there is any we are using same security group only, it's okay, there is, it will come, must come. Okay, Mm, yeah. At the time we go to the demo again. Okay, launch the instance. It's too late. Wait a second for 2 minutes. It will come. Yeah. First we can launch the private IP. No, sorry, we can go to the private IP. So copy this and go to the RDP, 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 and here's the administrator, and connect that. We'll go with the password, get the password here, and upload the key Linux. Like Linux PEM is there, upload the key and decrypt it, and password the copy and paste it here, and give OK. It automatically go to the RDP. Okay. And go till goes. Add to lux, and here only we can open the private IP. Public IP we can open in remote. You open publicly, but in private IP we can open in this remote server only. Or here Mumbai region, South A means we can use this private IP in this region only. Then go back to the instances. Yeah, it will try to check is there. Then go to that and connect the RDP. And copy this, and we'll paste it to this RDP only. Okay. Here we go the RDP and paste it here. The same administrator, and the same password also. You can get the password here. Same key. Then XPM. Then decrypt it and copy this. Go back to the connect it and get a password here. The password OK, and yes to that, and it will connected to the private IP in this public IP. it will come. Yeah, it will come. Then here we can drag it and fully. Oh, yeah, here that is the backside of the private. Backside is the private public IP, and inside is a public IP for this. For that's all for the today's session. What is public and what is private? How can we access the public and private in the same region? This is that. Yeah, thank you. And another one, we can terminate and disassociate all the one. First we can go with VPC. I think we need not disassociate that. It's okay. There is no problem like that. We can. There is no problem for that. Root tables. There is no problem for that. But yeah, if we gave you, if you like, there's no problem. If you can disassociate means we can associate that. There is a problem there. We can like delete the EC2 instance. That is must. We can terminate the two instances. Terminate instances. Okay. Yeah. We can terminate this. Yeah, it will terminate it. Yeah, that's all for the today's public and private. Yeah, thank you.